Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the details of a highly popular hairpiece, the 180% density 13x4 Kinky Curly Edges Baby Hair Lace Wig in Deep Wave Curly. This lace front human hair wig promises a natural look with kinky curly edges and a transparent HD lace frontal. Sounds pretty promising, right? Let's see if it lives up to the hype. This wig is made from 100% human hair, designed to provide a natural and soft feel. The lace itself is expertly crafted, with the hairline sewn by hand to mimic a natural, flawless look. This promises a seamless blend between the wig and your skin, and honestly, this is one of the most sought-after features in the curly wig world. The baby hairs around the front are pre-plucked, giving it an effortlessly natural look. Now let's talk about performance. When I first unboxed this wig, I was impressed by how soft and lightweight the hair felt. The texture is smooth, and the curls are defined with a natural wave pattern that holds up well. It comes in a 26-inch length, so if you're looking for something voluminous and full of body, this definitely delivers. It's also worth mentioning that the lace is quite invisible, which adds to the overall seamless finish. In terms of wearability, this wig is designed to be easy to install. The adjustable straps and 4 combs ensure that it fits comfortably on a variety of head sizes, whether you have a smaller or larger circumference. I found it really easy to adjust the fit to suit my head shape. No fuss, no glue, just pop it on and adjust as needed. It's also worth noting that the wig is pre-plucked, which means less work for you when it comes to customization. When it comes to styling, this wig gives you flexibility. The hair can be straightened or permed if you want to change up your look. However, you should be cautious when it comes to applying high heat or chemicals to the lace area, as this can cause damage. I've also noticed that the wig holds its shape quite well. The curls stay intact throughout the day with minimal frizz, which is a huge plus for curly textures. Pros: natural look. The hand-sewn hairline and pre-plucked baby hairs create a super realistic appearance. Easy to install. With adjustable straps and combs, it fits securely without the need for glue or excessive customization. Versatile styling. The hair can be straightened or permed without too much hassle, making it flexible for different looks. Comfortable fit. Adjustable straps ensure that this wig is comfortable for various head sizes, so you're not stuck with a wig that's too tight or loose. Cons: careful with heat. The wig can't withstand high heat on the lace area, so you'll need to be cautious when styling. Potential for shedding. While the hair itself doesn't shed excessively during normal wear, it's important to note that if you use improper tools or techniques, shedding can occur. Now let's talk about value for money. At the price point for a 100% human hair wig, you're getting a product that delivers on its promise of a natural look and great functionality. While there are certainly cheaper options available in synthetic wigs, the quality of this human hair wig justifies the cost, especially if you're looking for longevity and the ability to style it multiple ways. If you take care of it properly, this wig should last you a while. In terms of alternatives, there are other curly wigs on the market, but few come with the same level of detail when it comes to the hairline and natural finish. You might find wigs at lower price points, but they may not offer the same level of authenticity and versatility. So, if you're after something that'll give you that flawless, salon-quality finish, this one is a solid choice. Build quality and longevity. The wig's construction is solid, and the materials feel durable. The lace, while delicate, holds up well with proper care. As mentioned earlier, avoid using heat or chemicals on the lace area to ensure it remains intact. Regular washing and conditioning will help maintain the wig's natural shine and prevent tangling. I haven't had direct interaction with customer service for this wig, but based on reviews from other buyers, the brand is known to be responsive and helpful with any issues related to product quality or fit. Now, before we wrap up, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Final verdict: overall, the 180% density 13x4 Kinky Curly Edges Baby Hair Lace Wig is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a natural-looking curly wig with versatility and ease of use. It's especially great for those who want a seamless blend between the wig and their natural hairline. However, it's important to handle the wig with care to avoid unnecessary shedding or damage from excessive heat. If you're willing to invest in a high-quality human hair wig that offers both style and comfort, this is a solid pick. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this product, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to check the description box for the link to purchase it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.